Good morning, friends. Welcome to another session from Informatica. Today, Informatica is proud to announce the launch of Informatica Cloud for Amazon QuickSight. With this new data integration capability with Amazon QuickSight, both citizen developers and IT developers will be able to meet their data integration needs and business visualization needs on Amazon QuickSight. Today, we initially support the S3 as a data source for QuickSight. With this connector, we can move data into S3 and provide direct visualization on QuickSight using the manifest file. The manifest file also lets you achieve the delta for the records. So let's quickly jump onto the demo. So this is Informatica Cloud. Some of you would be familiar with this, and this is our cloud mapping designer, where you can design your extensive mapping capabilities. You can provide a sequence, joiners, data masking, filter, sorter, expression, lookup, normalizer, structured parser, aggregator, maplet, SQL, and union. So we provide a lot of, as a platform, provides a lot of capability for your data integration and for data management needs. Let's quickly jump over to a simple mapping where we are pulling in data from Salesforce into Amazon QuickSight. So what we are going to do today is we are going to review the opportunities from Salesforce or from database. So your business opportunities can reside either on Salesforce or here, for example, on Azure SQL DB. So here we'll see what are the needs, what we have done, have we won the opportunity, the name of the opportunity, what the stage is in, and essentially as a business user, we would want to see is the forecast or is the opportunity closed or is it still in pipeline. So using our data, we can move data into QuickSight directly and then slice and dice the data as per our needs. So let's go. So here, as an example, I'm taking data from SQL DB on Azure. You can also directly pull in data from multiple disparate sources such as Salesforce. And here I'm looking at the opportunity table, what I just showed you on the web. And here we have, and then you pick the right connector, and then you pick the right object what you would want to move into, and then move data, and then look into your data integration needs. So let's look at the connector what we have. So in the connector, you would mention access key and secret key, which aren't mandatory if you're using IAM policies on the web. You would mention a complete folder path, including your S3 bucket. If you're doing client-side encryption, you would use a symmetric master key. What's the code page, and then what's the region where your S3 bucket lies in, depending on the kind of authentication you would need. There is V4 or V2. So what I'm doing is I'm creating an opportunity here. Now this is the formatting option, which is going to generate the right manifest file for me. So here I'm specifying the delimiter of the file as comma. I'm specifying text qualifier single quote and specifying escape character as /. If I've got to specify any filter, I'll specify filter. Since I don't want to change any filter condition, I can also do functions, but essentially if I just want to move data from my source to the target, I'd use an automatic auto-match feature capability for Informatica Cloud and click on next. Here, if you're supporting client-side or server-side encryption on S3, you would mention that parameter and then move next. And here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click save and run. By the time it is running, it is also moving data into S3 and it is creating a manifest file, something like this. So I have specified to create, so my data source is going to be this, and then this is the manifest file which automatically gets created. The format, as I so chose on the formatting options, was CSV. The delimiter was comma, and text qualifier was single quote. And does it contain header? Yes, that's true. So we support all the parameters what Amazon supports for the QuickSight manifest file. So now let's go back and see. So my data is completely moved in to S3, and I automatically get the S3, the location for my manifest file. So you can see my S3 manifest file got created here as a Exxon manifest underscore JSON. Either I can copy the location from here, or Informatica Cloud will also inform me where it created. Essentially, it creates directly in the bucket where you specify. So for the analysis on QuickSight, now that I have the manifest file with me, I'll create my new dataset. So I'll move in. I would want to see my opportunities data. So I click on and provide a location, which Informatica provided me the location for the manifest file. It created and automatically uploaded for me. So I don't have to worry about the format of the file. And now I can move all of my data into Spice Engine and then slice and dice data based on different dimensions. So since I was interested in looking at my forecast for the opportunities, I will group everything into the forecast category name, and it will tell me what's the percentage of opportunity are closed, what's the percentage of opportunity which are open. So user can slice and dice data in different ways. So this was our support for Amazon QuickSight with Informatica Cloud. Thank you.